Today, we are going to learn how to write an equation of a line using point-slope form and y-intercept form. Point-slope form equation of a line is written as y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. And y-intercept form is written as y equals mx plus d. In a point-slope form equation of a line, we need to determine our y-coordinate and plug into y sub 1. We need to determine the slope and plug into m, and your x-coordinate and plug into your x sub 1. In a y-intercept form, you only need to determine the slope and the y-intercept and plug into the equation. For example, given point 32 and your slope is 2. If you use a point slope form equation of a line, you can just easily plug in your y coordinate to the y sub 1 and it will give you y minus. Your y coordinate is 2, so plug in 2 equals your slope is also 2 times the quantity of x minus your x sub 1 is 3. So your equation will look like y minus 2 equals 2 times the quantity of x minus 3. And that is your point slope form. Let's take a look at example number 2. You're given a slope which is 3 and your y-intercept is 3. If you use the y equals mx plus d or y-intercept form, you can just plug in your slope and y-intercept to the equation. So you have y equals 3x plus your y-intercept is 3 also. So your equation will be y equals 3x plus 3. So this is your y-intercept form equation. So in an example number 1, if you want to write this in a y-intercept form, you need to simplify. So the left equation is y minus 2. So we need to get rid of negative 2. So you will have only y in the left equation. And if you want to get rid of the negative 2, you need to add the opposite of the negative 2. So let's say y minus 2 to the opposite of negative 2 is positive 2. So we added 2 equals, in the left equation, we have 2 times the quantity of x minus 3. Since we added 2 to the left equation, we need to add 2 to the right equation. Remember that the equation is separated by equal sign. So to the left of the equal sign is your left equation, and this is your right equation because it's in the right of the equal sign. So we need to balance. Whatever you do to the left, you have to do to the right. Now we have to simplify. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So this will be 0. This will cancel out. So it will leaves us to y, only y. So y equals, here's the right equation. We need to distribute 2 times the x, which is 2x. And then 2 times negative 3 gives us negative 6 plus 2. Now we can combine like terms. Like terms are the same term, meaning if they have no x or when they are only a number, they are called constant. But if they have a number and the x or the letter, they are called like the coefficient. The coefficient of the letter is the number before the letter, and then the letter is called the variables. So you cannot combine 2x and -6 because -6 doesn't have an x. And you cannot combine 2 and 2x because 2 doesn't have an x. So -6 and +2 are like terms. So we can combine. So it will gives us y equals 2x. We'll just leave the 2x because they doesn't have, you cannot combine it to any of these two numbers. So -6 plus 2 will gives you -4. And that is your y-intercept form. Y-intercept form of a line. So this will be your final answer. Y equals 2x minus 4. So they are in the form of y equals mx plus b. So where you have the m is your 2 and your y-intercept is -4. Okay, that's it for today. I think we got like 6 minutes already. So next time again. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.